What's up, Falcons? Welcome to the first episode of Live with Liv. First question today is going to be, if you could pick a football theme that hasn't been done yet, what would it be? Let's go. What is your name?
Derek.
If you could have a football theme that hasn't been done yet, what would it be?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ooh, a football theme that hasn't been done yet. How about like an 80s?
Ooh,
Just
oldies
thinking back to
theme?
my day. Yeah, do like an 80s theme. That would be fun. All the
That is
neon.
fun.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Like for the student section.
That hasn't been done yet. Why are you still recording me? I didn't think about the answer yet. What about, like, dress up as a football player?
So like wear the jersey and stuff?
Pads, helmets.
Oh,
that's tough.
where am I getting that? Where am I getting?
Oh my God!
I heard someone.
How about famous people? I don't know. Like I'll dress up as LeBron. Or something.
Dressing up as like a celebrity.
Cut my hair off.
Oh, yeah.
Put a LeBron t-shirt on.
Yeah.
Yeah, call it a day.
Okay, I like it.
Probably like Under the Sea. I feel like that could be good.
It's actually a
Bro
good
has
one.
thought about this question.
It's actually a good one.
You dream about going up there.